Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to send picture to someone as document on WhatsApp. Sometimes you send a picture to someone very raw, the person doesn't get the details of the picture. So let me show you how you can send picture to someone as document on WhatsApp. So let's go to the plus option over here. So over here then you click on document. So when you click on document, then you choose if the pictures are saved on files, you choose files. But in this time the pictures are saved as video, so I'm going to choose the option 2, that is choose photo or video. So once you click on it, then you choose the video that you want to, or the picture that you want to send to someone. So let's say this is the video. Let's assume this is the picture I want to send to someone. I'll just tap on it, then I'll click on next. So once I click on next, the media will load, then I'll click on send. So when you send it like this, it means you have sent a picture to someone as document. So this is very simple. Let me know at the comment section if it worked for you. Thank you.